nakakatawa lang ako. And that's been a struggle for me kasi that's what I'm known for through Bubble Gang, through all of these things through the years.
Anong bubble gang ka pala?
Oh, yes. Oh,
How long?
For like 3 years.
Wow.
You know Boy Pickup?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was the writer for that. I came in as a writer first.
Oh.
And then eventually they made me cast. And I accidentally became Boy Backup during rehearsals. Accidentally lang yun. It wasn't planned. Kasi I was telling them, as a writer kasi, pag rehearsals, you mentioned about the scene for the cast. Tapos itong gagawin, tapos sigaw ka, ano lupit mo, pick up. And then they all laughed. And then the assistant director at the time told me, okay, sige, gawin mo yan. Meaning, ikaw na gagawa niyan.
Wow.
And that's how it happened. And then, it was, but what I was saying is, I'm so known for being funny.
Yeah.
That to be serious.
Usapang pera at kwento ng buhay. Pera at buhay. With Chinky Tan. Real stories. Real life.